Bootable USB drives are handy to have on hand. You may want to reinstall a system or repair a broken system. Today we're going to be showing you how to create one of these. In this video we'll cover one of my favorite ISO file boners, and we'll also cover how to bone it onto your USB drive. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you'll need is an empty USB drive. Now it has to be completely empty because when we bone the ISO file onto the drive, it will completely wipe your USB drive. So you also, on your system that you're using to bone this, you want about 5 gigabytes of storage access, because the ISO file, usually they're around 3 to 10 gigabytes. And then also, you'll want a fairly good processor, or you'll be waiting a long time. So I have my USB drive here. This is a 16 gigabyte. And we'll plug this into our computer here. So from here, you'll want to download a program called Rufus. Now Rufus is my favorite ISO disk boner, because it allows you to, there's so many features to Rufus, and it's fast and pretty much up to date too. So as soon as we get rid of this, and we'll download this, and here it is. Just double click it. Now I've already downloaded an ISO image from Ubuntu's website. So we're going to select this image from my downloads folder. And from here, okay, so some of the features of Rufus is that you're able to configure the partition scheme and also the target system. So in some ISO files, you'll have where it's MBR only, or UEFI only, which means that your system isn't supported for different options. Okay, so here you can also configure the file system, FAT32, NTFS, quick format, all this. So you want to press the start button now, and this will ask you if you want to write in ISO image mode or in DD image mode. Now ISO image mode is basically a better way of doing it because it extracts everything right here on your USB drive. Whereas DD mode makes a separate image basically onto the drive, which the parent system has to unzip later. So I'm just going to go with ISO mode. So next it'll ask you if you want to delete all the data on the device here. And of course I have nothing on this drive, so. And also, if you've done something like this before, you'll see this. This drive contains multiple partitions. You can just go ahead with that. And this may take a while, but if your system is fairly good, it should be done in a few minutes. And that's it. You can use your bootable USB drive to install an ISO file on as many computers as you want, over and over again. You can also just save it and use it in case your computer crashes or something and you have to reset it.